Hey guys, welcome to the Man of Education. My name is Surya sir, and today in this particular video we'll talk in detail about the NLU Lucknow, which is well known as the RML NLU Lucknow. So guys, to get all these details such as the eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, selection process, seat availability, placements and the recruiters, watch this particular video till the end because you are the right aspirants who are preparing for the CLAT. So let's talk about the RMLNLU. It is nothing but the Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, the National Law University, established in 2005 by an act of Government of UP Act number 28. Now, it is recognized by the UGC, the University Grant Commission and the Bar Council of India. And if you talk about the ranking, then ranked 7th among all the national universities by India Today 2021. And if you talk about the NIF ranking among all the top law universities, it stands at 11th position, situated at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And guys, if you talk about the campus, definitely you will love the campus because it has the great infrastructure. It offers all these programs such as the BLLB, the 5-year integrated program, LLM and the various doctoral programs. So if you want to enter into that, you have to prepare for the CLAT, that is nothing but the common law admission test, which was commenced or conducted in 2008, which was the MCQ based offline. And thereafter in 2015, 7 different NLUs participated and CLAT made the online. If you talk about the CLAT, so before it was conducted on the rotation basis and thereafter it has been conducted by the executive committee of the Consortium of Law. Okay, now what exactly the eligibility criteria says? Eligibility criteria says you must pass 10 plus 2, where आपके percentage होने चाहिए 45 and 40% with respect to all these categories. If you are appearing the 12th standard, you can also eligible. And with respect to the age criteria, then there is no age bar. If you talk about the paper pattern, then look at the sections guys. English section 28 to 32 questions, current affairs and including GK, 35 to 39. Legal reasoning, white top 1, 35 to 39. Logical reasoning with all about the common sense, 28 to 32 questions, and quantitative technique is 13 to 17 questions. So these all are the respective weightage for each particular section, and overall number of questions are 150 and you will get the time duration only 120 minutes. So guys, less than 1 second for each particular question. So you should have the shortcut tricks and the thoroughly cognitive effects. So exam mode will be the online computer based and all type of question will be the MCQs. Okay, so what exactly you needed? The speed enhancing technique and the shortcut tricks. If you talk about the marking system, then for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.25 marks. Now let's talk about the exam activity. Registration process start in the last week of December or the first week of Jan. Thereafter admit card will be released in the second week of April. Exam will be conducted in the first week of May. Now if you talk about the cutoff, because students often has the question with respect to the rank and the marking system and the marks. So your rank should be below 701. If you want to enter into the first round, after in second round your rank should be 723, and during third round your rank should be below 738. Now let's talk about the selection criteria. So it is followed by the common admission procedure known as the counseling process, and in that these all are the steps included. Register online, you have to register online on that particular portal. Then you have to create your profile, you have to upload all the respective documents there. Then you have to give your preferences, the NLU Bangalore, Hyderabad, Jodhpur, Raipur, Gandhinagar or even the NLU Lucknow. So choose your preferences and log the same, and according to your cutoff mark, according to your score, the authority will release the seat allotment. Thereafter you have to choose that particular seat or you have to refuse that particular seat. If you will refuse, then you can participate in the second round or in the third round. Okay, so accept your respective seat and pay the seat acceptance fees, collect the receipt and then visit that particular NLU for the verification with all your documents. So these all are the criteria included in the selection process. Now let's talk about the seat intake and the fee structure. So with respect to general category candidate, 80 seats are there. OBC of Uttar Pradesh 43, SC of Uttar Pradesh 34 seats and ST 3 seats. NRI 16 seats are available there. It also includes all these reservations. Person with disability, PWD category candidate 3%, DFF, that is nothing but the dependents of freedom fighters of Uttar Pradesh 2%, son and daughter of defense personnel 5%, and women candidates 20%. Okay, so these all are the respective seat intake. Now if you talk about the fee structure, then look at the fee structure for per year. 1,19,000 only. So guys, 8 to 9 lakh ki fees will be there for 5 years. So don't worry about the fee structure because you will get the great packages. Now let's talk about the campus. Definitely you will love the campus because it also has the Olympic size swimming pool. Guys, the campus spread across the 42 acres. Now, air-conditioned administrative block, you will find academic block, library, moot court, conference hall, and the faculty block. 24-hour power backup with the internet facilities, a conference hall with capacity of 350 seats, and a 3,500 capacity modern auditorium, computer lab with 60 computers, and Olympic size swimming pool, as I said. So guys, definitely you will love the campus. अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐसे कैंपस में पढ़ाई हो सकती है guys, then you should target RMLNLU Lucknow. Now let's talk about the placement stats. So according to the job offers made for the class of 2020, the highest package was nothing but the 15 lakh per annum, median stand at 8 to 10 lakh per annum, and the lowest, look at the package, 3 to 5.5 lakh per annum. So guys, जैसे मैं compare कर रहा हूँ these all placement packages and the fee structure, this will gives you the best ROI. And look at the past recruiters guys. S. Mujumdar and Company, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, one of the oldest, such as the Trilegal, Reliance, S&P, Dua Associates, AGB Partners, and lot more legal firms who visit each year and participate in the recruitment process. So guys, यहाँ career set है. अगर ऐसे law companies and different companies, Aditya Birla, HCL and यहाँ ऐसे company अगर visit करते हैं, then definitely guys you have great career ahead. So if you want to enter into the RMLNLU Lucknow, then guys definitely आपको prepare करना चाहिए for CLAT, and not only prepare for CLAT, let's crack it and get entered into your respective NLU. So call on 82858145 or the 54, or you can also call on all these respective numbers, or visit our website manualedu.com for all exam updates and the notifications. You can also follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. All links are mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel Man1 Law Entrance. You will find only law specific videos here. So that's it guys, all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.